Premier League in the do baby about 6-7 matches now, and you have a lot to go. So
in the mobile.
Yeah, possible. Kotoko you can do it.
Legon City is nation more.
Only be decided here. That's the beauty of the game. Who call Europa City? No, City behind here. No, not Porto. No, Arsenal. Madrid. No, Arsenal. Barcelona. That makes the game so beautiful. Any problem? No, you share the best one. I was sure. Where you?
Best one. I saw two equity. I saw boy equity. Best team day.
Oh, so Kotoko. You know, be a house. It is a house. So the combo here can say. And can tell you, let's say, I'm telling you, I'm not first go to challenge Lamonde, second go to Madrid. Who's that? Continue. Oyu dari nyage I don't use Kotoko anyaye. Ono ko use memo na ma go buy no. Go to first go to challenge Lamonde, second go to Japajo. Original house in Everton. And to the Legon City, they actually last motivate you. At least I don't talk when you win. About one of my next match, why you know, be few of me.
Kotoko fan, but I born out Kotoko body and so like the kind of play no. Coach ni tactics ni bibia enye that good because man entry Wabre, he's a good player though, but then still, you're still keeping him in play. And then he's losing a whole lot of balls. You go here, consider a keeper. Big blunder. So like Charlie, team no, Yakuma won't, but then I don't know what will you do? Ombe Lucy. Yeah, I think with the kind of play right now they are playing, you know, if I think he's been playing most of the players out of their position. So or get it back or get home back into their good position. I think they will do well. And they'll do it, but then I don't know day in and day out, Kotoko. You start praising them, you buy their jersey, you buy the, and I know they say like that's what I'm saying. The coach in Bono out of his position. I'm not under no circumstance. Just play, put him in the midfield. He knows how to control, he knows how to rule the midfield. And then you are putting him out of play. I feel they say, look at this. No, Legon City, other film. Who Koto. So, Onunson, wow, but not on your way. You are down by a goal. How about equalizing? You are controlling the league. You realize that some of your players, you know, are break. You bring in your friend say fresh legs. Change the game, no. You can win against Legon City. This kind of ball play. Come on, it's a disgrace.
So
oh, I think the coach should go back and correct his mistake. Playing the players out of their position is not the best.
All right.
Yeah, not bad, sir. But I mean, baby, I didn't know how could you know the officiating wasn't really the best. I mean, inside the referee was a bit biased. I mean, it was very, very evident.
Yeah, my best I know. Yeah, Ojili so you biased.
Baby, I was Benny saw the foul. It's Kotoko, Beje, you know, and then I said to say penalty them, and he wouldn't take it. But the way he was officiating in favor of the Legon City, you could tell that it wasn't our day. To some extent, I mean, at the latter part, you could tell some of the players were tired. They had to be changed. And also, I think the players really need to work on their form and their control of the ball. I mean, you can't hide away from it. It's not a bad team, but it is what it is. I mean, somebody has to win, somebody has to lose. Better luck to us next time.
Okay, thanks.
Send a game starting and we are here. At least first half, no. Mekani say na 50-50. At least Kotoko shada mobile be there. But second half, omo be second half no. Yeah, we say omo dey say 3 changes no omo here no. Yi Justice Blay film any other players film omo dey defenders 2 any midfielder 1 back on. We say game is say Kotoko dominate second half na, but that's a goal no na enimu ho no na strikers no inside ya sharp nti ama on ntimi an share.
Then now Jiri say anko yi ene.
For me, I sense say Abetamwa out no ye low striker no or Bray because not all ye up and down runnings or triple midfield before I born a crab in Chankra was striking department now I pray maybe another 12 now pass a cramp to me Tactical changes be or second half, which means second half Kotoko football games in we share some refereeing decisions be referee take out to say like at least Otimiji be only say be a foul and I say a penalty Kotoko near be wanje Legon City is senior be so wanje like this is DB or well I don't know what refereeing course so you can't question it but I mean so because you wait now maybe I remember 60%. Yeah, remember 60%, especially for the first half. This is do how Kuni. We are football there. Like let me say, three things in a woman: win, lose or draw. I think that this is the first time I use football so yeah, fun is so that we can go back to prepare and then move forward. I assure them that this year we will Kotoko make it. I made mistakes. Last time no matter the right person that put my mind and them more team. But the hate me in Kosovo. No, we have last time when we go with Ama, if you are in so much. And I trust you, the three-back system now. The more now, over system, not the coaches also reduce weakness and no team. And into the team that shout. Into Opa, also one the system. Now, I'm also playing on the boat. They make us a son. He said, make it to me against one channel say you have a ball center back. Remember, if you are between 4-2-2, 4-3-3, and 4-4-2, this side, okay. I think say remember why. Oh, referee on here. Make us a can and you might go to match.
So far, so good. Kotoko is second on the league table. Sena, then I'll be catching more supporters, players.
Legon, small teams, let me say, when you're ready to imagine it. We told that last year, what we know about as I show you. And I can say no anything. It's only when you know me, I'm more the material.
We're fair game. Just we are starting because now we are natural defenders. That's just a very practice. Today was a more you are seeing you starting. Because I'm second half we game this is there was a silent and was a coach in the start. Okay. But anyway, game and I will share going on the bar now. I don't know what happened. It's like I need to go in the Musa. There's nothing you can do about the game assembly. Must go back and
some of the supporters say Mugoki Panas and it's my and the Bias or yes some silly mistakes. We could this or any mistake the man go to Bayana.
When I coach in the prefer there's nothing you can do. At least we have an equally good people who's more than coaching if you say best is something we are fine. It's part of the game. Some of these mistakes it's both the coach, the practice or the start, the other players, the last minute, they lost concentration. The referee is
finally
to
okay. Finally, referee on the modern body decision near the no. Say, money percentage of the money say.
Referee performance there. Well, more some of the referees now are 50-50 balls. It was not the best. But at the end of the day, you cannot afford in that match. That one match, and instead of we have to go back to Obuasi, correct our mistakes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Silence boy from Bebre because you will go be a shower as a national goalkeeper there, and it's almost a goal in the show. As I so Uncle Cano, and yes, I am my other goalkeeper also never. As I Uncle Cano cry. Also, second half say, yes, you are born in Mupa, I have a ball, come up, second half, your ball, come up. West now, so no SS a chance to be brave. Thank you, see this. Until any coach, me coach be brave, sir. West now, so no second half, which you know, man, because the second half almost okay, come not chances of Munya and promotion. Reference one, you do not 50-50 ball, we are Legon cities. Reference one,
penalty I can penalty by Maku Betre. So I know to meet my see the other banner, Legon City almost on my bread. See, you say, Omono, young men take your chances, no more punishing. See the other banner. I want to come, so I say, match your more matches, and still I'm going to come. Legon City, I will be a Saturday, and your Kotoko, Ness or didn't budget 3 points. Kotoko, can this or your point to Crow.
Go in the first half of Kotoko possession, then yeah, about Kotoko. It was bad. But second half was the improvement. Let me expect it. At the time, we still go. That's a last game. But I was also went down back. Definitely, we can get the goal.
Why a national team keeper?
It doesn't matter, and no problem about it. So, a national team keeper to buy automatically of water. So, on your man, and blaster, and then go over the blaster. No, okay, can the blaster. When you blaster,
coach information when you
see kind from my idea changes, you know, and one of said improvement of my game. But first half of the team, it's not about Kotoko. Referee, tension about it's in this issue. Yeah, official, you have to balance the game. But then, Kotoko, you have so many chances, far away, and then you against the purpose is too poor.